Today on Games and Toys Review, become a dragon riding knight, a look at Splinter Cell 5, the new instalment of the Pokemon series, and unusual robots. Hi, I'm Helen Clegg and welcome to WeShow TV, home of the coolest online videos. We start today's review with Lair, set to be released next month. In the game, you play the role of a dragon-riding knight, in charge of defending your lands against numerous threats. Take a look at the preview. The release of Splinter Cell 5, Conviction, has been pushed back to 2008. But we already know that a few changes have taken place. Watch the following trailer to discover what happened. Nintendo fans, heads up! A new instalment of the Pokemon franchise was released last April. The game covers the adventure of a single protagonist embarking on a quest to capture and train Pokemon, whilst thwarting the agenda of a criminal organisation. If you still don't have a copy, take a look at the preview.
While walking around, you'll be attacked either at random by wild Pokemon, which you can capture with Pokeballs, or by other trainers looking for a challenge. The gameplay hasn't changed all that much, allowing you to choose from your stable of adorable killers before each fight.
We close today's review with a very interesting robot. It asks questions and makes different faces in accordance to the answers. Enjoy this funny video.
It's so ridiculous.
Answer correctly.
Yeah.
Hello, what is your name?
Mata. And yours?
That's all for today, but we'll be back next week with more cool stuff here on WeShow TV.